Okay, we just arrived at a campsite where we will just sneak some free water. It's really windy, but it's pretty nice. Before we do the water thing, I always have to clean our sink because it doesn't really get cleaned midst water. And then we will refill all of our things. 5 jugs. Yeah, if we have any water left, we kind of, or in general, we just kind of try to fill up our bottles and water filter and everything. So let's do that. I gotta finish the sink. Where are we gonna dump?
There's a bathroom down there.
Okay. I'll do the walk of shame again. Yeah, this is our last one. This is our direct drink station. It's always here. 3 2.5 gallon jugs and 2 7-gallon jugs. Done it. Spell test. Oh, something came out.
Oh, it came off of me.
Whoa.
There's also Gold Strike Hot Springs. Try that.
Whoa. Which ones are cooler?
Dusk.
Okay, gotta make this quick. Gotta love a restroom that is dark. Just completely dark. But at least no one else is here. So that's one good thing. I think something spilled on my shoes. That's always nice. Something dripped on my shoe. It's in. So where are we going now? Trailhead or casino? Let's go to the casino.
Let's go to the casino.
Found a recycling bin. It is so rare here. So sad.
Down, but it's at S10. Ooh, I like deviled eggs.
Do you consider that hard boiled? Because they're just essentially hard boiled and then you take the yolks out.
It's like TV trope, like deviled egg.
Neighbors.
Yeah.
At like
Oh, dear. Fix some eggs, make some nice hot coffee.
I'm trying to level this thing up.
he's looking for William.
But what do you do with the marbles?
I have no idea.
There's more.
I think I'm buying though.
Okay. Whoa.
I don't know. This is weird.
That's the goal of the game. We won.
You love it. We are on our way to Arizona Hot Springs, just an hour from Las Vegas, but it is in Arizona, and yeah, it looks pretty cool, kind of like a slot canyon hot spring. It's a total of like 6 miles and probably some elevation. The parking lot is pretty full when we left. It's now like almost 12. We could have started earlier, but we just didn't. It's probably gonna be packed. Hopefully it's like you have some more space, and there are some areas where you can just like be alone. We made it to the entrance. I hope you understand me through this little water baggie. And got changed, got dressed, undressed, whatever you want to call it. And now we're making our way through here. It's interesting. Oh, doggy. Hi. Oh, much colder. How did you like the hot spring?
It was pretty cool.
We definitely saw some dick. That's why I couldn't really film a lot there. There were also quite a lot of people, and yeah, it was really nice though. Really, it started out really hot and then it got a little colder. There were like 4 pools, right? 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4 pools.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was a little smaller though than we thought. We kind of thought that after the pools there's like some area where there's no pools and then there's pools again. And so we like walked there, but then there were no more pools. So there was
this nice beach on the on the
this
river.
is really pretty and nice and clear water. I went for a little dip just to get a little cleaner, and yeah, it's so quiet here. There was just one person there and really nice. And now we're gonna hike a different way back, which is supposed to be pretty nice too. We still have some daylight left, so that's always good. There's also camp here, a restroom. I mean, not like a flush restroom, that's not a thing, but there's a restroom here. That's pretty nice. If you want to start with cold water and work yourself up to hot water, probably take a right. Take the loop to the right.
Counterclockwise.
Yes, we got into the first pool and it was hot.
But all the pools are right next to each other, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, you just kind of have to wade through pretty quickly. I mean, it was fine. Like we're not scalded, luckily. Also, this trail is closed, I think, from like May to October or something like that, or June to September. Yeah, October is rattlesnake season, so watch out for that.
Apparently, people get heat stroke frequently in the summer here.
Makes sense. But it's definitely clothing optional, so if that's your thing, definitely do it. There's still enough space. You just can't really be just to yourself.
Which is fine. We met a nice guy. Talked to
Yeah.
him for a while.
Yeah, he gave us some tips about rattlesnakes and hot springs. He told us about like a sonic secret spring in the Columbia River. Colorado. I don't know if we'll do that. Maybe. I mean, we kind of want to see the dam anyway, and it's close to the dam.
Yeah. Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam. Most famous dam, apparently, in the United States. Oh, that's what he said.
My claim. Comment below if you think the Hoover Dam is the most famous dam in the United States.
Yeah.
I think it is.
Yeah.
While you're at it, hit that like button
Yeah.
and subscribe.
Why not?
More great content
Yeah.
like this coming out when it comes out.
Yeah, you're not working on it. You have good talking there.
I belong in front of the camera only.
Is this the last vlog of the Vegas video? Maybe. Or maybe it's already part of the second. I don't know which vlog this will belong to. That's always my problem. I never know. That's why I never film highs and goodbyes, because it's
This is
like
either
it's a
the
flow.
end of the last one or the beginning of the next one.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Damn, dude. Damn.